In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly create and customize a Lightbox in Webflow, adding a unique visual element to your website. Let's dive right in, starting with opening Webflow. Once you have Webflow open and ready to go, grab your keyboard because the next step involves a quick shortcut. By pressing Ctrl+E, you bring up the command menu, a nifty tool that lets you quickly find and insert elements into your project. With the command menu now open, type in the word Lightbox. This will filter the options and bring up the Lightbox component. Go ahead and click on it to add it to your canvas. This Lightbox will serve as the interactive container for your images or videos, providing your website visitors with an engaging experience. After placing the Lightbox on your page, locate the gear icon in the top right corner. This is the settings panel, and clicking on it will allow you to configure the Lightbox further. Once you've clicked the gear icon, you'll see an option for the image. Click on that. Choosing the right image is crucial as it's one of the first things that will capture your audience's attention. After you've clicked to choose an image, a settings panel will appear. Here, you can select an image that aligns with your content and resonates well with your audience. If you have an existing media library, you can pick an image from there, or even upload a new one that speaks to your brand's identity. When you've made your choice, click once more on the settings icon. This will lead you into an area where you can make additional customizations. Now, let's focus on customizing the settings on the right side. This is your chance to personalize how the Lightbox fits into your website's overall design. You can adjust the dimensions, the overlay, the transitions, and much more, tweaking everything until it looks just right. Don't be afraid to experiment with different settings to find what best suits your brand identity and overall visual language. Once you're completely satisfied with both the visual appeal and the performance of your Lightbox, it's time to show the world your hard work. Simply click on the Publish button, and your newly customized Lightbox will go live. Your audience can now enjoy an engaging and interactive visual experience on your site, which could greatly enhance their overall experience. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've not only learned how to add a Lightbox to your Webflow project, but also how to personalize it to perfectly suit your needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you now feel confident adding this fantastic feature to your website. Until next time.